Hey, what's up, you turkeys?
What? I don't even know.
Here we go again. I'm setting up August habit trackers and tasks today, so I hope you stick around, you turkey. I'm just adding in some yellow washi because a long time ago, when I got this in May, I decided to fill out August way back then. And so the color scheme was already decided for me. And as you can tell, I decided to make a calendar because I didn't think that the way that it was set up previously, with just the number line kind of thing, would work for me. I was freaked out about it, so I did calendars for August and September, so it won't get normal until October. So, on the slim chance that you're still here with me in October, then you'll see me set something up that wasn't already there because I get super excited. All right, so I'm writing down some tasks this month, and I am trying to make them things that I want to do rather than clean out my closet. I don't know. That needs to be done, but I just didn't feel like migrating it to this list again. So I'm going to focus on posting consistently because that is something that I enjoy and it makes me happy. Trying to figure out if I was spelling consistently right did not make me happy. Pray daily. I'm going to do that because I enjoy it, and well, I don't know. That's it. So, and then my last task for the month is to be happy because I do believe that that is a decision somewhat. I know there's brain chemicals and all that, but I do think that the decision that we make, how we act at the beginning of the day, can influence our entire day. So I'm just going to choose to be happy. And then if I'm happy, then I won't be a miserable cow. So, anyway, I decided to write a little note to myself after I stuck in some stickers from the Happy Planner set that said, like, important, don't forget, pay attention to this, you squirrel. Your worth is not in your productivity. I know it seems funny putting that quote right next to a habit tracker, which is supposed to track your productivity, but I guess that's why I wanted to remind myself that it's okay if it doesn't get done. This is just a planner. It's not the end of the world. It's just a planner. And let's be real, Donald Trump is our president, so I think we have some bigger fish to fry than planners. I don't know where I got off topic. This is going to annoy some of you to no end because it annoys me to watch because I did not sketch this out beforehand, and so the word did not fit, and then I had to take it down, and it makes me cringe inside. It's like those things that make you just really uncomfortable to see. Ugh, it's awful. So, but oh well, we make it work. So, I'm adding a drop shadow to it. I lost my whole train of thought there. Your worth is not in your productivity. So, I used my Tombow marker there, and I should have known. I just didn't, eyeball the space correctly and realize what a long word productivity actually is. So, for your information, it's a long word, so leave room for it if you're going to write it. And then I am adding some more stickers because if you watched my last video, we are in a sticker using up period right now. I'm trying to use up what I have because I'm getting sick of looking at it, so just trying to use it up and then see maybe about getting some different ones to start the new year. So adding in some arrows and some stars and some blah, 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 blah. So, like, pay attention to this so that it catches my eyes. So when I feel like a turd for not making the bed and sweeping the floor, I can be like, remember, your worth is not in your productivity. So, hopefully that's what will happen. I did kind of mess up. You won't see me write my actual habit list because I got sidetracked and it was time to put the kids to bed, so went to do that and then came back and finished writing the list and forgot to press record. So when we jump here, you'll just see the list completed. And I did use a lot of similar, not use, that's not the right word. I did transfer a lot of the same habits from last month. Just things that make me feel kind of on top of my life, which is weird because
I don't know. Are you ever really in control?
let's get real philosophical up in here. So, cats, bed, sweep the floor, post on YouTube, do some art, and then, what else do I have on there? I'm gonna write in the days of the week. Oh, and then I added at the end,
Be fucking awesome, because I know I can check that off every day. Done and done.
so I like these habits. I'm gonna do my best, and we'll see where the month takes us. I think that you guys are probably sick of seeing the habit trackers, as I am sick of sort of talking through it. So I'm just gonna sort of skim over that in my videos from now on. I'll let you see what I'm doing, and maybe I'll just use that time to tell you a funny story or something. I don't know. I just pulled that out of my ass. So instead of habit tracker time, it's going to be
Funny story time.
So get ready for that, because Lord knows what will fly out of this mouth. There never is really any telling. So I'm just filling out the beginning of August because it's already the 3rd and I had not set anything up yet. So we are going to enjoy August, and it's going to go really fast because the kids are going to go back to school in a couple weeks, which is super crazy because the summer screamed by. So I hope that you guys stick around with me on my planning channel, and I'm gonna keep doing some art. I have been doing it and I just hadn't been recording it, so I will put some of that up, and I am going to ask you to subscribe and like my videos, and please talk to me because I like that. Leave me comments and tell me cool things. Thanks, guys.